Malco Hole Saws are built for real job site conditions and trusted by the trades. With bimetal and carbide tip designs, Malco offers the right hole saw for everything from everyday installs to demanding HVAC applications. For exterior walls, venting, and pipe penetrations, Malco Carbide tipped hole saws power through the toughest materials without sacrificing accuracy or tool life. They cut through stucco, cement board, plaster, siding, and nail-embedded wood with carbide teeth that deliver extended life in abrasive materials. Aggressive tooth geometry drives faster wall penetrations, while a thick wall steel body stands up to heat, torque, and job site abuse, delivering clean, controlled holes every time. For everyday work, Malco bimetal hole saws deliver smooth, reliable cutting across wood, drywall, plastic, aluminum, and thin steel. A high-speed steel cutting edge, reduced vibration, and a durable, flexible body provide clean, accurate holes for HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and general construction work. Whatever the job calls for, Malco Hole Saws helps you cut faster, cut cleaner, and work with confidence. Malco Hole Saws, built for real job site materials, trusted by the trades.